Welcome back to East Yangon channel. Follow me guys. This area is Central Business District area. So today I will explore in here. Let's go. This is Secretariat guys. This is a really famous colonial buildings in here. This is a evening street food stand, and the first one I saw is gray shop, and here is a gray fish. Yeah. Oh, there is many ingredients like vegetables and chicken stick. Yeah. And do you guys know that small chair and table is our typical things for street food stand? And I'm not sure Westerner can sit or not. But these are our traditional things. Oh, this is juice shop. I will order passion juice in here, and you can also get organic fruit juice here. Strawberry, avocado, sankias, and lime, and avocado. This. This sweet. Yeah, they put the lime, but the taste is not that much sour, and it's really sweet. Okay, the price is only 1,000 yen, so it's 40 set. Yeah, it's a reasonable price. This road, this neighborhood road, we can see a lot of old trees, old big trees. So this road has a lot of shady place. Hey, by the way, I wanted to shout out Mr. Mong, who is the advanced member of our East Yangon channel. I really appreciate your support and help to our channel. Thank you. This is Yuria Thai salad shop. This is Little Business shop, and here is sugarcane, and this is sugarcane juice shop, and we can get other fruit juice too. Oh, this is Burmese salad shop. Yeah. Here is a lot of menu, and we can get like tea leaf salad and other rice salad here. I got this different cost set here, and the price is 2,000 years, so it's 80 cents. And yeah, this is fair price because of these portions, lettuce, and their homemade sauce. And yeah, this shop is really popular in this area because of their homemade sauce. Sorry. Okay, now let's try it. Yeah. Okay. Their homemade sauce is really good. And inside of the gourd is really soft. It's really delicious. Okay, we can eat like a barbecue too. Yeah. Like that. Okay, I will bite one. It's very delicious. They give the free tea. Cheers. It's warm. Yeah, would you like to try it? Their homemade sauce is really good. This is the most delicious sauce that I ever had before. It's really good. I finished all. Okay, let's go. Okay, at the moment, YouTube is not promoting our channel so much, so we really need your help. Please like this video, comment it, and share it if you can. If you can do this to help us, it will make such a big difference to our channel. So now I will stop my video here. You guys enjoy my video. If you like my video, you can also like this one and this one too. So see you. Bye bye.